notice one significant modification. While the wingmen, Lieutenant Kapushansky and Major Zastin maintain minimum wingtip canopy separation, the flight leader is in the inverted position. From the right, the Blue Angel Farpole. From behind the spectator area, Blue Angels 5 and 6 are approaching the flight line at 400 miles per hour. Having rolled their aircraft 270 degrees and crossed with minimum separation, observe as both pilots sustain 6 times the force of gravity to cross their aircraft over show center.
You.
To establish a right echelon formation. From the right at 378 miles per hour, the Blue Angel Echelon Parade. Setting up for their next maneuver, Blue Angels 5 and 6 are converging on center point to demonstrate the rapid roll rate of the F-18's fly-by-wire flight control system. Crossing center point, they will complete 2 consecutive rolls, totaling 720 degrees, with a combined closure rate of over 800 miles per hour. Ladies and gentlemen, the opposing horizontal rolls. Have established a left echelon formation. Approaching center point, Captain Kesselring will roll the formation into 360 degrees into the 2 wingmen. Over the top, the 3 diamond pilots will showcase their precision formation flying as they make a subtle modification while in the